From selling drops and Grater cakes on the road to building his own two-story home and inspiring thousands, this is not just a story of hustle, but of hope, of heart, and of hard work. This is the journey of Jbod the baker, a man who turned flour and faith into a future. Welcome back to the channel. This is Just a Thought. I am J.A.T. Today, we're going to dive deep into the inspiring story of Jbod the baker, a man from humble beginnings in Portland, Jamaica, who is now using his passion and platform to change lives. From street vendor to YouTube success story, Jbod's growth will leave you motivated to chase your own dream. Jbod, born and raised in the lush parish of Portland, Jamaica. He started from the ground up, and I meant that quite literally. He made a living selling traditional Jamaican sweets like drops, Grater cakes, and gizzadas. These weren't just treats. They were the tools he used to survive and provide for himself. Each sale, each day taught him resilience, yes, independence, and the value of honest work. But then came a turning point. Jbod became a close associate of fellow Jamaican YouTuber Colors Smith TV. Through that connection, he was introduced to the world of digital content creation, not just as a viewer, but as a creator. He didn't just learn how to shoot videos, he learned how to tell stories, manage content, connect with an audience, and most importantly, believe in his vision. He launched his own channel, Jbod the baker, and quickly gained attention for his authenticity, cooking skills, and heart. His content wasn't just about recipes, it was about roots, resilience, and reaching out to those in need. Guess what? Today, his channel boasts over 42,000 subscribers and still counting. His videos highlights everything from curry goat and rice and peas to fried chicken and fresh juices. But what truly sets him apart is his deep commitment to his community. From the back-to-school treats for children to food giveaways for the needy. He is not just baking breads, he is breaking barriers. Jbod's rise on YouTube isn't just a personal win, it's a community celebration. He has used his platform to uplift others, to give back, and to show that no matter where you start, greatness is possible. Let me say that again. No matter where you start, greatness is possible. Who knew that Jbod would have risen to where he is today? So, small content creator, guess what? With hard work, with commitment, you can do it too. He's even building his own two-story home, a powerful symbol of how far he has come. Many Jamaicans and people abroad are inspired by his journey, not because it was easy, but because it was real. Yes, this story is a real story of a hard-working Jamaican who is resilience, who would have bounced back from a lot of adversities. I remember there was a time when rain was falling and he was building his home and the dirt fell back into the foundation. Many would have given up, but he remained resilient. He remained focused and he pushed and wait until the rain ceased and he gets some men clean out the place and start again. This man is a perfect example of one who you can emulate to achieve your goals and to reach your dreams, because it shows what's possible when you mix passion with purpose. Jbod the baker is living proof that you don't need a silver spoon to stir up success. You just need a heart. You just need a hustle, which is a job, and a little help along the way. From Portland to the world, his story reminds us that it's not where you come from, it's where you are willing to go. So, whether you're baking your first cake or chasing your first dream, remember Jbod and just start. If this story inspires you, don't forget to like, comment, share this inspiring story with someone, and subscribe for more real life Jamaican success stories. Who knows? You might be the next J.Bud, the baker. Take care until our next video. All the best.